Hello friends, welcome to my TechnoFunLogy YouTube channel. In this video, discuss about YouTube reviews and your bonuses, OTO and demo video. First, I am talking about YouTubio. What is a YouTubio? YouTubio is a revolutionary software that automates your YouTube and video marketing in just a few clicks. This incredible app performs all manual YouTube labor and help you in creating more engaging and compelling video. This is my bonus page. I give you link in description of this video. If you want to buy YouTubio, you click on this red button. First, what is a YouTubio? YouTubio is an automated platform that allows you to automate the development of your YouTube channel. This software has many features and functions. As a cloud-based software, you do not need to download. This software is very useful for bringing your video ranking, engagement, traffic, likes, shares, views and subscribers in just a few clicks. If you are struggling to develop a YouTube channel but you are not getting a result, then use the platform. As using this platform, you will be SEO, video thumbnail, playlist management, video editing, managing followers, managing multiple channels, replying comments, deleting offensive comments, tracking users behaviors, channel analytics. YouTubio is going to change the YouTube and video marketing game for you forever. With all this benefit, you will be able to get good sales and profit by developing your YouTube channel very well. With advanced channel manager, video manager, playlist manager, template manager, keyword finder, rank tracking, auto reply thumbnail, creator, analytics features and video splitters. This app alone performs the functionality of 10 to 12 apps in just a few minutes. Why use YouTubio? The following are the benefits of using this software. First, video SEO is the biggest problem. But when you use YouTubio, you solve this problem because first, researching target keywords, finding a good attractive title, creating a amazing description, inserting lot of relevant tags. If YouTube channel management is a pain, when you use YouTubio, you can get this benefit. Example, managing your channels, uploading videos, creating playlist, managing subscribers, and replying and managing comments is challenging. Replying to comments, deleting offensive comment, and tracking metrics can be daunting. If you use this YouTubio, you get in your channel, you rank tracking for individual videos, monitoring channel statistics, accurate reporting of views, subscribers, viewers retention, likes, dislikes, traffic sources and much more, performing comparative analysis for others video. There are so many things you can do using this software. This software is really very useful for you who need to use YouTubio, newbie who are struggling to make consistent online income and want a proven way to get a leads and sell, affiliate marketer who want to stand out and turn their commission into overdrive and powerful video persuasion tactics, and YouTubers who want to double or triple their earning from ad revenue or by selling their own product and services on YouTube. Product creators who want to 5 to 10x increasing sales of their online courses, coaching programs, software and info product. E-commerce site owners who want to create epic product videos that increase sales and build a loyal following around a physical product. Coaches and consultants who want to create a celebrity status and command high-end prices for their services. Authors, speakers, experts who want to cement themselves as the authority in their niche while selling a more of their product and programs than ever before. Vlogger who are looking forward to increasing their audience and followers by actively engaging them with their content. Offline businesses who want to attract their target customer into their business every day by leveraging the potential of YouTube. Pandemic profit seeker, anyone who want to thrive financially during this tough economic condition by stepping foot into this COVID-19 immune industry. This YouTube video is very useful to so many people. If you want to buy this, so you click on this red button and you get instant access to YouTube video and your bonuses now. Watch the demo video below to learn how to YouTube video work. You watch the demo video. Now I am discussing about what it was. First, front end offers. Basic price is a $37 with 50% commission, and best seller $47 with 50% of commission. Audio number 1 pro upgrade $97, and audio number 2 agency license $167. Audio number 3 is a reseller right, is a price is $197. This is a funnel. And now we discuss about audio number 1 YouTube Pro unlimited features. YouTube Pro features including special downloadable splitters tool to split the long videos into the smaller parts, advanced thumbnail creator to create and set eye-catching thumbnail for your videos, sitemap generator for all videos, keyword finder, find the keyword for unlimited videos, rank tracking, track ranking keyword wise for unlimited videos, import and manage unlimited channels, upload and manage unlimited videos, set and forget unlimited auto reply and auto comment templates, get detailed analytics and reports, and with 5 fast action bonuses. Bonus number 1, creating the perfect YouTube marketing video. Bonus number 2, video marketing profit kit upgrade package. Bonus number 3, YouTube channel SEO. Bonus number 4, video marketing mastery. Bonus number 5, on 1 million YouTube subscriber. Now discuss about audio number 2, YouTube your agency right. YouTube your agency right features including here start your own agency business, give YouTube viewers access to your clients and earn monthly recurring profit, separate users panel to add, edit or manage your users, and get one-time or monthly recurring profit directly in your account with 5 fast action bonuses. Now discuss here. Bonus number 1 is a modern video marketing upgrade package. Bonus number 2 is a YouTube your way to success. Bonus number 3, video marketing hai. Bonus number 4, YouTube channel income, and bonus number 5 is a web video marketing reveal it. Audio number 3 is a YouTube reseller rights. YouTube reseller rights features including here reseller rights allow one to sell YouTube video as their own and keep 100% of the profits with 7 fast action bonuses. Bonus number 1, YouTube video mastery. Bonus number 2, YouTube marketing 2.0 made easy. Bonus number 3, the introverts guides to video marketing. Bonus number 4, YouTube quick start. Bonus number 5, magnetic video marketing upgrade packaging. And bonus number 6, YouTube black hat. And bonus number 7, live video marketing. If you want to buy this, you click on this red button and you get instant access to YouTube video and your bonuses. Now I am discuss about my bonuses. So bonus number 1 is YouTube case studies. Bonus number 2, video marketing HTML PSD template edition number 2. Bonus number 3 is a video marketing excellence upgrade package. And bonus number 4 is a YouTube income streams. And bonus number 5 is YouTube affiliate. Bonus number 6 is YouTuber playlist creator. Bonus number 7 is, are you using video marketing with your CPA offers? And bonus number 8 is YouTube traffic weapon upgrade package. If you want to buy this, you click on this red button and you get instant access to YouTube and your special bonuses. This is a sales page of YouTube. A quick recap. Here's what you are getting today: complete YouTube automation, import and manage multiple YouTube channel to maximize result with minimum efforts. Second is a advanced video marketing suite. All the groundwork of uploading, downloading, editing and managing multiple videos playlist have been simplified to just a few clicks. Get the top ranking in minutes. Our advanced keyword finder extract keywords for any videos in just a minute. So now you can optimize your title, description and text and get top ranking easily. Snake turn off server, melting traffic, get quality traffic for your website, offers and services, and get it fast without the need to slave away in a front of your computer screen. Bypass the hassle of managing comments. It is a known fact that as your channel grows, it becomes a hassle to manage your comment section. Well, not any more, because with just one setting, YouTube will manage, reply and delete offensive comment for you, skyrocket your engagement and subscriber. Your audience will frown upon you if you don't respond to their comments timely. So by responding to them, you could grow your engagement, views, subscriber, leads and profit. Newbie friendly dashboard. In one dashboard you will get all your statistics regarding your channel, users, subscriber, videos, everything you need to know to maximize your profits. Work in any niche, no matter what niche you are in, YouTube is proven to give you result you ever so desperately desire instantly. Step by step from logging to profit training, including over the shoulders video tutorial, show you exactly how to use the software and maximize your result. Let's crunch the number. For channel managers, value $297 monthly, video manager $497 per month, playlist manager $57 per month, template manager $47 per month, keyword finder $997 per month, auto reply $3 to $7 per month, rank tracking $197 per month, link wheel $295 per month, dashboard statistic $598 per month. The total value of $3,312 per month. This is priceless. And by YouTube and by YouTube. This is option 1 is a basic and option 2 is a best seller. In basics model, if you purchase it, you get first these features. First is a manage only one channel, upload up to 5 video, and set up 5 auto relay templates, set up 5 auto comment templates, unlimited like and dislike campaigning, find keyword for up to 5 videos and track ranking for up to 5 videos. Only $37. Best seller, you get these features: manage up to 3 channel, upload up to 10 videos, set up 10 auto reply templates, set up to 10 auto comments template, unlimited like and dislike campaigning, find keyword for up to 10 and videos and track ranking for up to 10 videos, download unlimited creative common videos. The price is only $47. And money back guarantee, 30 days. Try YouTube totally risk free. Here is the bot sweetener. Use YouTube for full 30 days with all its advanced and innovative features. It will surely revolutionize the way you do YouTube and video marketing for maximum traffic, lead, subscriber, sales and profit. But at any point of time within 30 days of your purchase, if you feel YouTube falls short of your expectation, just drop us an email and we will return back your money. If you buy it, you click on this red button and you get instant access to YouTube and your bonuses. Now this is my sales page. I give you link of this my sales page in description of this video. Thank you for taking the time and to check my review and bonuses. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.